Welcome to our video, where we delve into an interesting problem surrounding the concept of sealed types in Java. The problem we are addressing today revolves around the significance of including both the sealed and permits keywords when declaring a sealed class or interface. We aim to understand the rationale behind this requirement and explore whether there are scenarios where using only one of the keywords would suffice. This dilemma begs the question: why is it necessary to explicitly mention both keywords to fully leverage the benefits of sealed types? Now, let's deep dive into the solution to our problem. The key insight lies in the flexibility afforded by the sealed keyword, which allows for the inference of permitted subclasses when they are declared in the same source file as the sealed class. As per JP 409, this eliminates the need for the explicit permits clause, enabling the Java compiler to automatically deduce the permitted subclasses. Consider the code snippet provided, where the sealed class root implicitly permits subclasses A, B, and C. This nuanced approach not only streamlines the declaration process, but also enhances the overall readability of the code. In summary, we have explored the intricacies of sealed types in Java and the rationale behind utilizing both the sealed and permits keywords to define permitted subclasses effectively. By leveraging the inferred subclass declarations within the source file, developers can optimize the implementation of sealed classes and interfaces. We hope you found this discussion insightful and encourage you to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, coding is fun when you embrace the nuances.